Welcome to this month's basic training video. In this video, we will show a team of rescuers completing a slope evacuation evolution. The tactics used for this slope evac are from the Montgomery County Fire Rescue Service Driver Training Program and the current Site Ops course taught at the Montgomery County Fire Rescue Service Public Safety Training Academy. During this demonstration, rescuers will be assigned a task for the evolution that can include mainline, belay, edge, or attendant. Rescuers will start by choosing and donning the proper sized harness. Rescuers will choose anchors to set up a mainline and a belay line. Rescuers can use a Wrap 3 Pull 2 on a bomb-proof anchor. Or a 2-point fixed and focused for a marginal anchor. Depending on the needs of the incident, rescuers will choose which type of belay to use and set up that belay. For this evolution, we'll use the tandem triple-wrapped prusik belay system. Rescuers will rig the main line in preparation to lower the Stokes basket and attendants down the slope. The rappel rack will be rigged and locked off. While the main line and the belay line systems are being set up, another rescuer can begin tying a double longtail bowline on the working ends of the ropes. Here's a hint. When tying the double longtail bowline, a carabiner can be used to remember the gain of the knot and to ensure the carabiner is in the proper location. Next, we'll rig the Stokes basket to be attached to the system. At the head of the basket, tie a 2-point fixed and focused anchor using 2 posts of the Stokes basket. Bring the ends of the webbing together and form a single overhand bend. Focus the webbing and tie a single overhand knot. Remember to place a crush carabiner in the overhand knot. This will make it easier to untie the knot after it has been loaded. Now, connect the gain of the double longtail bowline to the single overhand knot. Tie stopper knots in each tail of the double longtail bowline. Now, attach 3 to 4 double wrap prusiks to one of the tails of the double longtail bowline. These will be the attachment points for your attendants. Attendants will secure themselves to the rail of the Stokes basket with a prusik in either a basket configuration or a choker configuration. Attendants can adjust their prusik as needed. Each attendant will attach to one of the rigged prusiks on the long tail of the double longtail bowline. For this video, we will show the Slope Evac evolution with 4 attendants, 2 on each side of the Stokes basket. This evolution can also be accomplished with 3 attendants if needed. Commands are given to make sure all positions are ready.
Main line, down rope.
And once ready, Rescuers will then take slack out of the main line. Attendants will load the system with their weight and start being lowered down the slope. Attendants should allow the rope system to lower them and not attempt to walk down the slope. When attendants reach the victim, they can disconnect from the Stokes basket if terrain allows. However, attendants should always stay attached to the belay line to prevent a fall. Attendants will package the victim into the Stokes basket with the proper lashing. While the victim is being packaged, rescuers on the top side will rig the system for raise. Rescuers will build a mechanical advantage system that is proper for the load they are hauling. For this scenario, a 3-to-1 system is being used. After the victim is properly lashed into the Stokes basket, attendants will reconnect to the Stokes basket as previous and prepare for the haul team to haul them back up the slope.
Ready to raise!
If attendants cannot make verbal contact with the topside rescuers, whistle commands can be used. 1 whistle blast signals stop, 2 whistle blasts signals up, and 3 whistle blasts signals down. Rescuers will haul up the attendants and the victim, resetting the system as needed during the haul. Rescuers will continue to haul until all attendants and the victim are in a safe position to come off rope. Rescuers will continue to care for the victim and expedite transport to the appropriate facility. After the victim is treated and transported, the rescuers can then begin to break down the system and return to service. Thank you for taking the time to review this presentation of a basic slope evacuation. While not all stations are equipped to perform this evolution, it's important that all personnel stay familiarized with the methods and techniques used.